to make all of the slimes. Following these recipes exact. I got them online and on their Instagram, and I wrote them all down on a piece of paper. And it says for the white glue, you need to start by emptying 1 4-ounce bottle of Elmer's white glue. Welcome back to Sister Slime Vids. Today I'm going to be testing Elmer's recipes and seeing if my recipes are better or Elmer's. I'm not really comparing them, but I'm seeing what I like better for recipes. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to be adding a half tablespoon of baking soda. I don't have a 1/4 a tablespoon. I'm just going to be adding 3 of the 1/4 a teaspoon of contact lens solution. 1, 2, 3. Mix it all together. I'm now going to be making clear slime. I couldn't find a clear slime recipe without adding glitter glue pens, so I'm just making it without the glitter glue pens. I also couldn't find a 9-ounce bottle of clear glue, so I'm adding 2 5-ounce bottles. I'm now adding in a 1/2 a tablespoon of baking soda. So it's not baking soda water, so I don't think it'll clear up, but we'll see tomorrow. And I'm letting all the slime sit the same amount of time in the same place. Now I'm adding in 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact lens solution. For my third slime, I'm making a glitter glue slime. First, you need to pour in the glue. Now I need a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Now I need 1 1/4 tablespoons of contact lens solution. So I did realize I did use the wrong recipe for the clear glue. It is supposed to be 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 1/2 tablespoons of contact lens solution, but I think it'll still turn out the same. What are you doing? Then one day, and here is the white glue slime. It's really clicky, not that stretchy, but it's very good at drooping, and I probably won't use this slime all the time as my recipe because I do like what I use for my white glue slimes better. And there's also chunks of baking soda in it. But for a slime recipe with so much baking soda, I think it's pretty good actually. It does feel a little bit hard to stretch though, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. I did mess up on, and I did the glitter glue recipe instead of the clear glue, but I don't think that matters. I also didn't give it enough time to clear up, but the stretch is actually pretty nice, and the clicks aren't that good, but I think this is a pretty good slime other than that. And I don't know if I'd switch over, but I'm pretty bad at making clear glue slime, so maybe I'll go with this recipe from now on. Let me know down below if you want me to go with this one, or if you like the recipe that I used for my clear slime video. Now I have the glitter glue slime. This one was overactivated yesterday, and now it's really overactivated today. Let's see how the pokes are. Not very good pokes, and it's pretty rubbery, so you can't really stretch it nor swirl it. So I'm definitely not going to be following this recipe again. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video because I loved making it. If there's any types of slimes you'd like me to make in my next video, make sure to comment them down below and to follow our Instagram for almost daily videos. It's at Pina_sisters_slime. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.